So today is the 2nd of January, and this is my first video of the new year. I will be, I woke up pretty late, but I'll be trading. I'll be looking for trades for today. And let's see what's going on now. It's 11:22, so I missed like the whole drop. 500 points, crazy manipulation. Took out BZ high and previous week's high as well. So I kind of knew it would go down because we didn't like price was like right here and it was going up. I saw it going up during exertion when it opened yesterday, and I saw that we didn't tap like the 0.5 at all. So now I see it had like a little manipulation before tapping the 50% of this semi-arbitrary low, and I feel like it's time for us to go back up. Same thing on ES as well. So I think right now is just I think the day's probably gonna accumulate like this and then probably just like continue up. So I can just remove all of that. Probably put that there. It's that will be the next draw. So I do want to go over some things um, that I want to start working on this year. Number one, I want to like keep focused with like growing my relationship with Christ. I'm a Christian, so I have to keep that first because I feel like that's what's keeping me going. That's what's keeping my mental like to stay straight and like have that mindset and always to remain driven. So I do want to like better my relationship with Christ and all that. So and two, I do want to get like better within myself, like not try to force any trades. I'm trying to trade every day, and it's okay to take breaks. It's okay to like rest my mental. It's okay to like um just like take a mental reset when you know you need one. So I want to focus on that this year. I honestly been like thinking like how I should trade like risk management and all, how much I should risk per trade because I am trading on prop firms. So right now I have a funding, but I think I'm gonna blow it because it's pretty tough. Like I'm pretty close to blowing it. So right now I'm working on getting another funding, and the way I want to trade that because I feel like when I find like a draw liquidity that I know where price wants to go, I always like enter and then I do low risk and then I get stopped out, but it still goes my way. So I think right now I'm just scared of risking a lot in case it doesn't go my way, right? So right now I'm thinking of doing a little bit of like not really over leveraging, but just like increasing my contract size, but decreasing my risk to reward ratio. So like I'll trade like a mini for like maybe a 10-point trade or something. Somewhere I know it's gonna go like short term. I want to start looking at those trades because if I know price wants to go here and it usually does like go there, I'll just trade that and I'll have like a large stop loss and a small take like a medium take profit of where I want price to go. Because if I'll put my stop loss to where I know price shouldn't go to and I'm sure of that, and then instead of like risking small and I guess that's why I was getting stopped out for the previous like weeks and weeks because of like my wrist size. It was always like very slim. So I'm gonna continue to do that until I find a better solution. Like definitely gonna get another funding. I'm probably going to be trading one micro, so I can have that larger stop loss that I'm looking for. And then the thing is, I will have like a cool take profit. So I guess we'll just see when we get there. So for today, this is a daily. So right now we had like just go over what's been happening like this past couple of went down, came and swept this low, we went back up, made an equal high, then we went down low to retrace to back into the zone. I think that's like the 0.62 zone it retraced. And now it's bouncing back off the 0.62 zone. Let me not just draw the 50 to show you. Yeah. So it perfectly tapped that 0.62 zone. And I had that level like marked for so long. But I think what I like to do is like I like to trade what's current. And I feel like I was just getting stopped out and stopped out, and I didn't really find an entry in time. And then I didn't find an entry there, so I was just like, you know, it was just kind of cooked at that point. So after that, we go up, and then we make this new day opening gap, a couple of gaps beneath it, and now I think we're just trading back into that zone once again. Yeah, we're trading back into this like 0.62 zone, and I feel like we just got to bounce up. I wouldn't want to see us like go all the way to the 0.705 zone because that would be very like highly improbable. So that would mean like we're kind of bearish. So I like this is actually a nice tap or like a nice bounce off. I mean, it didn't tap 0.62 zone like immediately, but it still can. You know, um, so right now, I guess I'm just looking for like a short term trade I can take. Now it's 11:30, and I just feel like price will accumulate for now. This is a large candle, so I think we're gonna have to do some like type of retracement up, right? At least for like a couple entry points. So I guess I'll be looking for longs now. Just mark out some like short term highs that we can target. So on the 4 hour, we are inside this gap, right? So I would like to see us either make a new candle or like strictly just bounce off of it. So we have a new hourly candle. Probably just gonna consolidate to like the next hour. Cause I honestly want to see something like boom, 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 maybe that, and then sweep that, and then continue with tapping and then pull that up or something along those lines, right? So I just know that I want to find a long person. That's my bias for the day. I want to find a short term long, somewhere I can target. Right? So right now it's just consolidating, like I'd expect. Right? So now this is about 90 points. That's not bad. Right now you can like mark out these highs. See that there's a value gap here. 1 minute. And you like retrace it to the value gap. So I think before we like go up, I'd like to see the total liquidity get taken. There is, not really, but there's kind of like a BPR here. Yeah, kind of. We come down to like retap and go up, and then we make another gap right here, and now we're just consolidating that gap. So we could go up, take out that high, tap C, probably even go higher than that. And so there's a high right there. But the target. Um, that'd be a nice bounce see, that's the thing. I don't want to have like too large of a stop. You know? So we finally just broke through. We tapped CE on the 55-minute gap. Now I think we're gonna inverse this gap and continue higher. Now I'll look for like I want to see displacement and for this gap to close, and then I would like to see us like trade back into the zone, and then simply take entry from there. Oh, time that. Stop at this. So that's 25 3. Damn. Guess we can enter now. Yeah, just enter like right here. And please stop at 361. Let's just see how that goes. And we're targeting the low turn high, which is right here. Yeah, it's a pretty tight stop. I feel like I kind of FOMOed a little bit because I saw it coming down as I was trying to like prepare the limit, but I think I'm still right overall. So let's just see that play out and hope for the best. I think I will go like if price does come up here, I'll go break even. Just put that there. Um, yeah, since I'm on the combine, I'm in for a mini, so yeah, that's another thing to point out. This is about a 1 to 2 RR trade. If we do surpass this high, I will do this and move stops higher to like this, the end of this 1 minute for rally gap right here. Like it's consolidating right now. That's something we don't really like to see. So if it does go back up, I'm probably gonna do this because that's kind of like signs for bearish. And if I look on the 5 minute, it looks pretty bearish right now. The best thing I can make out of this is like we're retapping. I'm like sweeping all those lows within the 1 minute gap. I wouldn't like to see price come back into this gap now because that would be pretty bearish. What's happening on ES? US is kind of consolidating too. Does look like it wants to go lower. Yeah, it is a perfect retest on the 5 minute as well. So I guess we'll just wait and see if it does go back up, like briefly, to maybe sweep that high. Because I feel like this is a perfect like short setup right now. Cause it's like be chasing offense. I mean, yeah, it's pretty bearish. Yeah. Hope we're gonna get up here. Yeah, because we literally bounced perfectly off that cap and did not reverse it. Um, so I'd say we're pretty bearish. So I could look for another setup. Like if we are bearish, if we do want to go lower, I'd like to see this 1 minute gap get inversed. Then I'll enter off of a retest. That's if we are bearish. And if we are still bullish, I'm not gonna re-enter because I'll be more FOMO if I don't look for another setup. Stick it to the trend. Yeah, looks like it could be bearish, very much so. See if we find any SFTs for oh, no SFTs. And it looks like it's just making like that bearish gap on what's it called? MNQ on the hourly. So next trade I wanna see something like this. And then enter right here. Sure. And I'll place stops at that very gap. And I'll target top low. I'll probably de-risk so I don't lose too much. So instead of 1 minute, I'll do 5 micros. I think price might retap this 1 minute gap and continue there. Maybe there might be another point of entry, but that'll be a really good point. eventually, but I'm gonna stick to what I know here. If we would have tapped here, I probably would have entered there because it would have no reason to go back up, except to like retest that. So this would just see. Okay, so I'm inside that trade. Stops at after value gap. Let me just organize it real quick. Take profit at. Come on. Let's see if that works. It should actually. So that was a value gap here. Really about to run through it. Probably LP, probably like another. If it does retap it, that means it can go like way lower. And I might trail. I just might trail. Or will it be another point of draw? That's the question. Get it down here. Oh wait, no. That is it is. Up right down here. But like that's too low in premium. So yeah, it's just too low in premium. I want price to overall go up on a daily, so I'm just gonna see. Alright. Listen to music. The only spot where I can see price coming is his, honestly, there. But I'm sure I could go down now. Breaking. I'll probably go breaking when it reaches this gap right here. That's crazy close up. There's a little retrace. I'm like 15 seconds or something. No, it's retapping into the gap now. I should look and just go down. You can tap C so it can still go up. Oh, come on. It's like going down slowly but surely. It's kind of crazy. Crazy that the first trade I take for the year's accumulation. Yeah, but anything's tradable unless you use your strategy, so everything's working out. So you lose some, you win some. You just have to stay calm, stay collected, trust God, everything will work out. So now I'm going to break even. I just put it there, but I'm already breaking even on my top side. Probably when it reaches here, I just did now. I'm gonna move my stop loss into profit and just keep it there. Right now, I moved it to like 10 points, which is like in the middle right here. So, at profits. I feel like right now it's making like a value gap, so we can easily like retrace. Or, oh, that would be a perfect setup actually. Because like, if it makes it for value gap on the 1 minute, right? That will be a double, like an overlap for value gap. So it will tap this inverse and also this bearish, and that's so it's such a good confluence. Like that's how I used to like trade back then. I don't like how it's like doing that, so I'm just gonna move it there, like the line. But I am break even on it. Profits are here. So you made that provided gap perfectly actually. So now that would be a source of free entry for real, but I'm not desperate for any more profits for real. So free entry will be there. Just let it go down. Perfect setup actually. Yeah, my thing is that right here. Yeah, my stop loss is where this profit lines is. For anyone who's wondering, I'm gonna consolidate a little bit before it goes up. I want to see that gets out there. It might just go down. It's in my TP and close out for the day. And come back later. Come look at that line. So I lost 400 on the first trade, and now I'm back in profit for about 100. So hopefully this trade will get me back to 50,000 flat, so I can just make my way back up. Alright, so now we're going up to tap that gap finally before we move down. Pretty patient. Like, one thing I really want to change this year is my patience. Like, I want to decrease the amount of times I follow. I want to decrease, like, I want to have, like, my ultimate goal is, like, trade a couple times a month and just, like, have, like, A++ levels setups. Like, I want to just set, like, a limit and just wake up at TP and wake up at stuff like that. Like, that's what I really dream of because, like, I mean, like, I love the grind of, like, waking up every morning for, like, meeting session and all, but, like, trading every day really gets to your head, you know? You start thinking about more than money. I don't know if it's just me. You know, like ever since like December, I didn't trade for like a good 2 weeks. I mean, I traded like on December 31st, I think, but that's really it. Cause like the last 2 weeks, I was just focused on my mental. Like I didn't want to like force anything. So yeah. Alright, so we just tap CE. Now I want to see this like slowly fall down. So as I said, tapping away, perfect tapping actually. That would have been a nice tapping actually. But we don't chase the money, we chase the. I acknowledge that my draw liquidity is correct. My draw liquidity, like, that's right. My analysis, my narrative. That's what I'm chasing. I don't really care about the money for right now, at least. Like, the more I get better, the more into it, and like how I execute my trades, that will determine, you know. So, and now just a waiting game. Profit's still there. I mean, I can move profits, but I feel like I'm chill right now. I think I'll move profits below once it gets be like past these lows right here. If I could just tap it again. Looks like I'm probably gonna get stopped out of here. I'm gonna hold though. Mm. Mm. It's like stepping back into it. It might end up actually. It's a possibility. I'm gonna hold. I guess stop though. I guess stop though. Alright. See, like back then, I would have played with my feelings a little bit, and I would have just probably like gone and had a free minute. Only like secure more profits, you know. But right now, it's just not about the profits. But I think I am gonna get stopped out. It really just made like the bad guy right there and just tapped perfectly. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So we are about to get stopped out here. Let's just watch it happen real quick. But if price inverts, I mean, it's probably not gonna invert. It's a perfect gap to tap. But if price does invert it, you know, we might still be in there. 50-minute still looks bearish. It could be bullish, honestly. We're just gonna hold. Just became 12. I think that's a new hourly candle. Yeah, it's a new hourly. Yeah, it's probably getting long and sweaty. I might go back down to that CE of the hourly gap. I mean, so we should see. Alright, so I'll wait for a close. If we get a close, I'll trail, put my stop up there, and just see. Let's see if we get a close. That's a crazy close, but also move my stop loss to that high that we made. So it's right there now. My patience is like really good now. It's getting like I really see everything working out for me. Yeah. That's ultimately what we want. So Still want to see these flows get right into. Alright, now it looks like it can take me out right here. Alright, that's cool. And I'm still in. Stopped out. Okay, there you go. So we got stopped out for around 200. It's a pretty good trade. So right now we ended the day off with a 250 loss. It's cool. We made back half of what we lost, so that's the show. Part of the setups I took this initial long, and I got stopped out like right here, I think. Yeah, I got out earlier. I was targeting this high. It went up to like here, and then I realized that we were just in a 5 minute gap, but it was pretty legit, so I took that short to hopefully see us go lower towards that low and made some profit there. So overall, decent trade, decent day. Yeah, and my entries were based off um for value guides and like CSID. So I had confirmation we were going down after we came. We like went back up a little bit, came down with the strongest displacement through CB. So I knew we were gonna tap back into the gap and continue lower. Right? And my stop was initially here, then I moved stop like to break even later on. So pretty solid trade. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.